Hi everyone. Today at Tech Room, I'm gonna take a look at the iRobot, the Roomba 675, which is a vacuum cleaner. You can call it a robot. It is made by iRobot, and the model is Roomba 675. It is an entry level. It's not the highest level on their lineup, but as you can see, it does already come with the stair detection. It also can detect the obstacles, and it goes around them, and obviously it can go under the furniture. Also, it does come with a Wi-Fi connection, so you can connect it to your phone. So this is basically an unboxing. After that, I'll try it out, see how it performs, how it connects, and all the bells and whistles. Okay, so in the box you do have some paperwork, a cable, and this is the base, charging port, and as you can see, it does have a laser that it can detect the robot, so it will come into the base. So this is the robot itself. So I think all the models, the 675s, are white with the black in the middle. There is the 671, that's the all black, and it does have other. This is kind of flimsy. Okay. This is the dust tray, and it comes with a filter. Okay. On the box, it says that it comes with a 3-level brush. So that's the first one, the second, and that's the third one. This is for the wall. It does have, and it does come with a dirt detection, which is basically when it detects some dirt, it will go around that spot until it's all cleaned up. And as you can see, I guess that's the sensor right here. There are 2 of them. That's the sensor for the base, and it does probably have some more sensor, but they're all in the front. So right here, those one, that's for the base, and on the back there's nothing. So yeah, that's the presentation. That's the unboxing. Not so much in the box, but for the price, I guess I don't expect much. So I will give it a try and let you know what I think about it. That's it for now. Thank you.